another video. My name is Priscilla. Today's video is going to be another unboxing, and for you guys that follow me, you guys are probably like, you are crazy. And yes, I have to admit, I probably am. This hopefully will be one of the last unboxings that I'll do for a while, and I really need to stop spending my money on purses. But whatever, it is what I like. Today's unboxing is from Fashionphile, okay? Now, inside this box is something that I already have. This is the Gucci Soho Disco, as you can probably see by the title. And if you follow me, you know that I have the little silver one. It's like a pewter color, and I no longer have that one anymore. I actually sold it because I noticed that I was wearing it like a lot and it was losing its shape. And so I just decided to sell it, and I knew that I was going to get another one, either in the beige color or in the red color. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and sell it. As much as I loved it, I went ahead and sold it. I did sell it on Fashionphile, and they gave me a good, and I mean, I wouldn't say good price for it, but decent to where I was able to say, all right, cool, I'll go ahead and sell it. And then I went ahead and got this one. So let's go ahead and just do the unboxing. Okay, so as always, Fashionphile has really beautiful packaging. They have the little used is the new, and here's the card, proof of purchase. Here's some paper, and here are the goods. Whoa, this is a big ass dust bag for the little bag. Okay, and to reveal, okay, so yes, Gucci Soho Disco, and this is in the color Camellia. I know or Rose Beige. There's different names for the same color, but it's basically the beige color. And this was described as good, but looking at it, it looks fairly new. Okay, the tags are all intact. It's like a very nice buttery color, and the reason why I wanted to get this color instead of I already had the other one, was because I had worn it for a little bit, and I really liked the color. It was very unique, but on the back of my mind, I had always wanted this one or the red one. So I might get the red one, not anytime soon, but I might get the red one. Also, on October 15th, the prices for Gucci went up. So yeah, that's another thing that we have to deal with, unfortunately. But we have places like Fashionphile and the Real, which, you know, they kind of help us out. So look how beautiful that is. And to me, it looks fairly new. It smells really, really good. It smells like fresh leather. And let's see how the inside is. Oh, and the actual dust bag is inside. Nice. On the description, it didn't say that it came with a dust bag. So, I mean, yeah, with a Gucci dust bag. They always come with these. Okay, and yeah, it looks, if you guys want to look in there, it looks fairly new. And I just love it. I can't wait to wear it. This is an awesome bag, and like I said, I've had this one before, but in the pewter color, so I'm really excited to have this one, because I've always secretly wanted this one. And so yeah, that concludes my unboxing. Pretty quick and easy. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you would like to subscribe, please and thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing, for commenting. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.